Morning. I'll take you through the key global cues today. Well, the Asian stocks were mixed early Wednesday after Wall Street fell from a record and bond yields rose following a surprise on the US inflation front. Australian markets were up 0.4%, while Kospi was down 0.5%. Japan's Nikkei, however, was down 0.3% in trade. If you look at these stocks in the US markets, well, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped from its high as a hotter than expected inflation report overshadowed a strong start to the second quarter earnings season on Tuesday. The headline CPI inflation stood at 5.4% YOY in the month of June, while the core rate, excluding food and energy costs, did rise 4.5% YOY. This was the sharpest move seen since September of 1991 and well above the estimate of 3.8%. Results from the banking sector giants like JPMorgan Chase and Goldman Sachs topped analyst forecasts. All eyes now turn to Fed Chair Powell's congressional testimony on Wednesday and Thursday for his comments about rising price pressures and monetary support going forward. The yield on the 10-year Treasuries did advance 5 bips to close to around 1.4% in trade. Dow was down 0.3% at 34,889, while the S&P was down 0.3%. Nikkei was down similar level, down by close to around 0.4% in trade. If you look at the stocks in Europe, the European stocks eased from all-time highs on Tuesday ahead of a key US inflation reading, but British banks kept UK's FTSE 100 afloat after the central bank moved to scrap curbs on dividends. Barclays, HSBC as well as Lloyds banking group rose between 1.1% and 1.8% after the Bank of England scrapped pandemic-era restrictions on dividends from top lenders. Finnish telecom equipment maker Nokia jumped 6.6% after it said it planned to raise its full-year outlook. Miners like Rio Tinto, Anglo and BHP Group got a boost from rising metal prices after better-than-expected trade data from the top consumer, China. European reporting season will kick into high gear later this month, with analysts expecting second quarter profit for stock 600 companies to more than double from a year ago, as per definitive IBES data. All three indices in the European markets, however, ended flat in trade. If you look at the oil prices, well, the WTI crude did rise 1.6% to $75.3 a barrel. Gold futures did rise 0.1% to $18.08 an ounce. Thank you for watching.